Welcome back to Taylor's Kitchen. Taylor cooks it again. We're going to take some of these and some of this and a nice piece of cod, and we're going to make it into a midweek special. It's going to taste amazing. Cue the music. Welcome back. As I said, we've got some cod and we've got some produce out of the garden. What I thought I'd do is, because we've got leftover potatoes from the weekend, I thought if I made some smashed potatoes with some spices on them. We've got some shard, which is absolutely fantastic. I'll show you some of the shard here. Have a look at this. This has just come out of the garden today. If I wilt some of this down and put the cod on top and do a really basic butter sauce for the cod with a bit of lemon juice, I think it's going to be amazing. So let's get underway. Come on, follow me. First thing that I want to do, I want to get some spices into the grinder and just have a little bit of a grind, and these are going to go onto potatoes, and this is what's going to make the potatoes taste so wonderful. So we've got a little bit of cumin seeds, and we've got a small amount of black mustard seeds as well. And we've got some coriander seeds again, small amount. And a little bit of madras powder. I don't want a great deal of it, just about half a spoon. And the reason I put it into here is because I'm only going to blitz this for a second or so. Because I still want to have the seeds, but I don't want them as big as they are, if that makes sense to you, like a coarse grind. And then with that, we'll have a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and that's going to give us our coating for the potatoes, which are left over. So let's blitz this. This is very simple midweek stuff because we've got potatoes left over from the weekend, boiled potatoes left over from the weekend, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to put them into this and then crisp them off, smash them down just a little bit. So I want some butter for this, and I also want some oil because I don't want it to burn. Here's our spice mix. Doesn't need to be in for long, otherwise that'll burn too. So here's our spices. Just starting to foam. Let's put our potatoes in. Leftover potatoes from the weekend. Potatoes to be coated. to rest. Red wine vinegar. Just reduce that down.